So what were to happen if you were to jump into a tunnel which goes right through Earth? Well, the answer is you'd never make it to the center, and that's because of what happens to air. Alright, the air is going to become very dense. Alright, so the air density at the center of the core will be 209.286 kilograms per meter squared, which is about 209 times the density of water, which is absurdly dense for a gas. The air would ionize, compress into exotic states, or be chemically altered. So the tunnel would likely be filled with a supercritical fluid or just collapse under pressure. You wouldn't fall through the core. You'd be flattened by the drag long before reaching the core. What happens at the Earth's core? At 3.6 million atmospheres of pressure and 6,000 Kelvin, air molecules, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, face extreme compression, liquefaction or solidification. Nitrogen liquefies at minus 77 K under 1 atmosphere. Under high pressure, it can solidify at room temperature. Oxygen liquefies at minus 90 K. At this pressure, near the Earth's core, air components would compress into a superdense liquid or solid, even at high temperatures, much like how ice can exist at 300 K under pressure, 300 Kelvin. Ionization and plasma state. At 6,000 K, thermal energy is high enough to strip electrons, meaning much of the air would be ionized plasma, not a neutral fluid. It's similar conditions to the sun's outer layers, and atoms don't survive intact. So it's not classic air anymore. Oxygen and nitrogen may react or dissociate under these conditions. The concept of air as we know it breaks down entirely, and you'd be left with superatomic nuclei and free electrons or exotic compounds depending on temperature gradients. So if you fill a tunnel through the Earth with air, it won't stay gas, it won't stay air. You'd have a high pressure nightmare of compressed ionized matter, stopping you long before you reach the core. So that's it. The air is going to be your problem, trying to get through Earth. Right, this was interesting. Hope you enjoyed it. And also no further, I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Take care. Bye.